Yeah, these are our wet beds, and that one's going to be a carpet. We're going to put the sedge plants in, different wetland plants, put them in squares, and then next year when they're have a good root mass formed, we will cut it into like little carpet squares and then put it in bare spots, usually reed canary sprayed areas, just right over the top, and yeah, we get pretty good success with that kind of method. So I just wanted to update this. Same day, 10 minutes later, maybe not, but anyway, so I've planted this wet box here, and you can see right there's a row. So I've split it into like four sections, right? So one, two, three, four squares. And so what we'll do once that's kind of established, it almost forms like a rhizome carpet, right? So these are an old plastic water tank that Patrick cut in half a couple years ago for this, pretty much this exact same idea, you know, just having wetland plants that we could move fairly easily. So now we'll just split it into 4 pieces once that rhizomatous carpet is established, and when we have patches of reed or bare ground, wet pockets that need some vegetation, we can just throw a chunk of that on there. And those, you know, we split it into 4, we could probably split it into 8 too very easily once we kind of started digging. So this one was these are plants that extras out of 50 flats that we made, or things that came up in cracks, or you know, just kind of found their way into this one. So more haphazard, but same thing, we can cut out a chunk like with that eupatorium in it and just take that chunk out and plop it in the wetland. So we use, for our spent soil and our flats that didn't necessarily produce, or when the flats we get all the seedlings out of the flats, then we will put the dirt back out here. And you know, sometimes we get plants that we didn't get in the greenhouse to come up later out here.